my channel. It's Shawntas Way here today, and I wanted to quickly update you guys and let you guys know that my growth oil is now available to purchase. It was out of stock, and so I wanted to come out on here and tell you guys, and this will be the last time that I'll be updating my YouTube channel as an official video. So I will not be posting a exclusive video as far as just sitting and telling you guys that it's available anymore on this channel. So if you want updates on when I restock or when it will be available for purchase, then you can go to my new Instagram, and that Instagram is SW Growth Oil, at SW Growth Oil. I'll put it on the screen, and it'll also be linked down in the description box for you guys so that you can get updates whenever I restock my growth oil. And also, if you don't have an Instagram, you can go to my website and you can just subscribe to my mailing list, and you will get an update every time I restock. So I just wanted to throw that out there because I have been getting a very lot of emails from people saying that they've been waiting for months, and every time I restock, I'm out of stock. So let me just tell you guys about that really quick. Whenever I put on my website that I'm in stock and I put it on my YouTube channel, people are going quickly to go and purchase it. And that's how it's always been ever since I've ever started to sell it. So it's not just because it's not just because now. It's been like that ever since I put my growth oil out for sale. So when it comes to this, it's just, you guys are just going to have to really be on it. Otherwise, you will be going through this thing where you're always having to wait, and because I do sell out fast, and I am aware of that. So I do apologize for people who have been waiting for a while, but there's also been people who have been waiting for a while. You're not the only one. When I receive emails from you guys and you're like, oh my god, this isn't fair and this and that, it makes me feel sad because I'm like, okay, I don't know what to do, because I am the only one doing these oils. I do them all myself. So imagine me doing all these oils for everyone who orders them, and I'm trying to get out as many as I can. Not to say that I'm saying that I don't like doing it, because I love doing it, which is why I'm continuing to do it, and I like to make you guys happy, which is why I decided to start to do it again. But that's why I took such a long hiatus from it, because it was I was so overwhelmed. I was like, oh my god. Because I hate when I can't get something down packed for everyone to be happy and for it to work out. So just, as far as restocking and trying to get the product before it gets out, you have to be quick. That's the only way that you will be able to get it. And I am going to be a lot better. Oh, my hair. I am going to be a lot better with getting the oils out now, because now I have a lot more time to do it. At first I was not having a lot of time to do it, and I was also waiting on a lot of other things. But now it is going to be a lot more in stock, a lot more than what it was before. It does take 14 days for me to ship out the oils, because like I said, they're handmade oils. I make them all myself, and I don't rush. I take my time. I put a lot of time into them. So that's why people are like, okay, you do this by yourself. So everyone who has received their orders and everyone who has ordered from me, if you want to see their reviews, most of them have left reviews on my website. And so far everyone loves them, and I have gotten people who have actually got results. They have been sending me emails, and I'm meaning to put them on my website as testimonies, but it's been a lot trying to get all that on there. So if you have a testimony or anything, send it to my email, or you can go onto the website and put it on there. So I'm very thankful that it's working for you guys. It's worked for me. I've been using it for a long time. So anyways, I'm going to be having a lot more of my products on my website, such as my scalp stimulator. I have a lot of products that I make that I don't put out, but I'm going to put it on my website for you guys to purchase. I'll have a lot more stuff coming up, and I'll update you guys on those products exclusively in the video. Another thing I wanted to address is the negativity that I received on my last video, and I've been receiving this negativity for a while, so it's time that it be addressed. Okay, first of all, people are saying things like, oh, you know, I don't understand why people are buying this, they can make it themselves and she's just doing this, blah blah. Okay, first of all, I wanted to address that because when it comes to that type of stuff, it does make me upset. There has to be some type of like good point to my product because it is always sold out, and I'm not saying that in a cocky way, but just saying like everybody doesn't have to go and make their products. Some people don't want to do that. It takes time. Like the ingredients that I use in my products cost more than what my products actually, what I'm putting out there to be worth, and that's just because like I try to make it as affordable as I can. But even when I was going to go with a huger company to get it out more, they were like, the price that I had at first, they were like, we're not gonna sell it at this price because that's too low. Like you're not really getting profit. And the reason why I was selling it that low is because I was like, okay, you know, whatever, I don't care. But now it's starting to be more so very expensive to me. So if you guys want me to sell the product, then I'm going to have to put a price point on it that is going to be beneficial to me too, so that I don't have to be going into like my personal money all the time to sell the product, if that makes sense. The negative comments of people saying like, oh, like she's just doing this, you guys can go make your own, doesn't make any sense, blah blah. Okay, that's your opinion. I'm not trying to con anybody. I'm not trying to make anybody buy anything. What I value is loyalty and honesty, which is why you guys don't see me doing like clickbait videos and all this crazy stuff to get views on my channel, because I'm not that type of person. So I'm not that type of person in my product or anything. I'm very loyal to what I do, and what I do is genuine. So I'm not, like I said, I'm not trying to make anybody buy my product or put it out there so that people can buy it and I can like con them out of stuff. No. But I just felt like that it was needed to say that because people are rude. So yeah, I just had a rant about that because I just don't appreciate the way that people come at me about that, because it's just like, really? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you are wanting to purchase my growth oil, you can go to the link down below, and I will be restocking when it sells out. I'll be restocking as soon as I can, and I will see you guys later.